What's up, folks? Your buddy Fatalroadie channel. Roadie Snacks will be trying out the Funyuns chicken stick from Jack Link's. As that looks like. Got this over at 7-Eleven. Been a lot of hit or miss when it comes to the Jack Link's different things. I think the last good one I had was the taco flavored one. The worst one I had was the Dr. Pepper one. Wow. But they had what was it? Cool Ranch. The other ones escaped me, but it's supposed to be Funyuns. I usually eat Funyuns like once every blue moon, so this will, I guess, cover me for a couple more years. Kind of taste the onion, the Funyuns part of it. Nah, not digging that one. I don't know, it has a weird aftertaste. Excuse me. Had to cleanse that one out. I give that a 1 out of 5. That one was not good. That one ranks up there with the Dr. Pepper one. That's ugh. Yeah, skip that one. And that'll do it for this episode. Sadly, that'll hurt.
Disappointed!
Extremely disappointed. That'll do it for this episode of Roadie Snacks. Leave a comment down below if you had this before. Sadly, I'm sorry. What you thought about it? What you thought about this video? If you liked it, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to share and subscribe. I've been Fatalroadie. You've been awesome. Thank you very much for watching. And remember, if it's too loud, you're too old. See ya.